Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you an update on our basement remodel. It is not clean, it is not staged, it is not fully decorated, but a lot of pieces are moved in and you will see a significant improvement from last video. So this is me walking down from the main floor of my house, and over here to the left is our garage, and straight out is a side exterior door. So if you turn around here, you'll be able to see what we finished. Look at that gorgeous view. We got those see-through glass doors so that it would make the basement look more open and give more natural light. Here is where we started the basement project. And right now my husband has all of his tools that he uses on a regular basis on these shelves that he built. So our garage doesn't have room for these because our cars are in there. And then we do have a shop, but that is packed with other stuff as well. So we just keep it here. It's easy access, and we specifically put a door here so that right now where I'm standing, it's kind of cold, but since we put that door there, it gets really warm once you enter into the main basement area. So this is kind of a mudroom area right now. You'll see everything's been done. We even have some extra pieces of baseboard. We went ahead and you can see the ceiling is done. It has a smoke detector, the HVAC vents and the lighting, and I just love how we can see through this door. All right, here we go. This is the actual basement part that we occupy. All right, it is so much warmer now. We insulated the walls so we can actually keep this basement at 66 degrees, and it feels so warm, so perfect. All right, so you see we have a couple of doors. We do have this one door that is not see-through, and that's because this is to the bathroom. So here's the bathroom, and this is the nicest looking spot down here. I put a lot of bling into it, and so check it out. I put in this gorgeous gray vanity, and I even bought some glass knobs from Hobby Lobby. And check out this beautiful countertop, this granite countertop with gray and a little bit of some golden specks. And it has these really deep sinks. And we bought these faucets. In my last video, one of these faucets were broken, so we had to order a new one. But it has the drips, natural water spout. Bought these gorgeous mirrors. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby also. That, and then in my last video I showed you, real quick, you'll see, shower. Put up some hooks. These are just some cabinets I got from IKEA. There's my lighting. I put in the iridescent bulbs. It gives a little bit of golden light to it. All right, so there's my bathroom and all its bling. It's a good sized bathroom. Over here, our kids have occupied this for their TV room and a playroom area. So we got some train tracks down here. They play Connect down here. Only thing we have to get so far is a closet door for here, which my elliptical is in right now. And I also need a closet door in my office. This is my husband's office. As I said, it's messy. It's a bonus room. It does not have a window, but we did add a closet. Okay, so there's the family room, the bonus room, and the bathroom. And to find out why we ordered these glass doors, you'll go check out my blog and read all about it. Here is the fifth bedroom, legal fifth bedroom, but I use it as my office. All right, it's not decorated, but you'll see, here's my two IKEA desks that I built. They're identical. Here is my cabinets that I painted. They used to be gray. And here's my desk. I have another table that I do put right here in this empty space, but it's upstairs right now in the kitchen. All right, so see, you can see I need a closet door for here. I just put curtains there for now. This is the closet. I use it for all my staging materials. It's kind of organized. There's the other two gray cabinets I had. All this stuff I need to hang up. Some more floating shelves from IKEA. Just other items I want to hang up still that are going to go all along these two walls.